Hey y'all, welcome to my channel and happy holidays. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette. Now they came out with a Warm Neutrals palette here just recently, and it's the same shape as their other palettes. It's the same thing as this one, which is the original one, but it has 2 extra shades in it. So I'm just going to play with this one, and we're going to see kind of what kind of look I can come up with, and just talk about the Warm Neutrals palette and what we think about it. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. Now I did my eyebrows with the Joa Brow Pencil in Ebony. Prime my eyes with a Sigma eye primer in Ignite, and I put on a little bit of chapstick. My lips have been getting chapped, and it's just the chapstick Classic Medicated, just to moisturize and try to heal my lips. Is right here, it's just real tight, and it's not cracked or peeling or anything, but that's kind of how I've been using this, and it's been helping a little bit. So alright, so we're gonna get into this palette, and I'm gonna start out with Toasty in my crease as my transition shade. Put a little Toasty in there. Alright, now I'm going to take henna right here, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner and a little in my outer crease. Alright, and now I'm going to take After Hours, and I'm going to use that to deepen up my outer corner. Alright, and now I'm just going to put a little bit of Bittersweet right here on the other half of my lid. Alright, now I'm going to take a cotton round with some micellar water and just clean up my edges. Alright, and I'm not going to do primer because I used the Can Make Mermaid Skin Gel UV like sunscreen. It's SPF 50 plus, PA plus 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 plus, whatever that means. And it's a little glowy, so I'm just going to use that as my primer. And then I'm going to take the It CC cream in Fair Light, and I'm going to use that as my foundation. I'm going to blend that out with my multitasker brush. only thing about these earrings, they stick to my face when I'm with my makeup or doing skincare. And I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. And I'm going to dot that on my eyes real quick. And I'm blending that out with my concealer brush. Alright, I threw some of my number 7 powder in light on my under eyes to set my concealer. And now I'm going to go into the Hoola Benefit bronzer. And I got my little mini here. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do your makeup with a cat in your lap, and Callie literally came over here and has been sitting in my lap this whole time. And it doesn't matter where I move, she's not moving. She's being very determined tonight to sit in my lap through this whole process, I think. I'm going to take the Sigma Rose Glow Cheek Duo. And I'm going to take the Corderosa blush in here. And I'm going to put some color on my cheeks. Okay, and now I'm going to take that highlighter, which is Gilded, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Starting with my cheekbones. Going over my brow, the other brow, down my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little on the chin. I think I'm just going to put on mascara today, not do anything on the lower lash line. So I'm going to take the Thrive Cosmetics mascara and just put that on my top lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now for the lips, I'm going to use the Buxom Moscow Mule, the full-on plumping lip cream. And I got this and another one, I think Hot Toddy, that I got at Ulta on sale around their Black Friday. They're doing all those weekly 50% off and stuff. They smell really good. And I'm going to spray my face with the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. Alright y'all, this is the final look using the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette. And this is a gorgeous palette. I'm pretty sure they didn't reformulate anything. It's the same formula. It's just 2 new shades if I heard correctly. So and this is the same formula that's in all the Untamed palettes and the Corte Rosa and everything else. It's a beautiful formula. I love Sigma's formula. I love everything that they've done recently. And I think this is a beautiful, beautiful palette for the holidays. It would have been great for fall too. Just a beautiful palette and definitely a staple in my collection. So I really enjoy this look. I think it looks really pretty. I love the eye look and just everything all together. Kind of a simple, easy look, just kind of to start the day. So I hope you like it, and I hope you like the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me today. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great and wonderful, happy holidays. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.